everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another fun video. I am going to be taking you guys along with me to the Goodwill outlets, and I'm just going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how I resell specifically the items from the outlets. So I have been shopping at the Goodwill outlets for, I would say, maybe 3-4 years now. I try to go 1 and 2 times a week now that I'm graduating from school and everything, but I try to go get some stuff and then I resell it on Depop and Poshmark currently. So I just thought I would take you guys along with me to kind of give you some tips and what kind of items to look for and why I shop at the outlets. So we're gonna get going, but I thought I would just start it off here in front of my cute brick background. I guess I can kind of start off, if you guys don't know what the Goodwill outlets are, it is a big warehouse kind of place and it's a lot of bins. I will show you videos, of course, but it's a lot of bins and it's items that were either directly donated to the outlets, or it's also items that did not sell in a traditional Goodwill store and they got sent to the outlets to try to see if they can sell it there for a cheaper price, but at least it can be sold. So it's a lot of bins, it's a lot of rummaging. That's why I'm wearing a hoodie, because I don't really look cute for the outlets. One last thing before we head out, the reason why I do shop at the outlets is because all of the items there are priced by the pound. So specifically clothing, it was $1.29 per pound. Now it got raised to $1.59 per pound. But that's why I shop there, because when I resell it, I get more of a profit compared to if I go to a traditional Goodwill, where now like a shirt can be like $5 or $6. So I try to get as much bang for my buck. So let's head out and let's go shopping. So we just arrived to the outlets. It is so busy. I don't know why I always get so surprised, but it's a Sunday, so like literally there's so many people here, but that's okay. I will put the address of the outlets I shop down below, but I shop at the North for Sales one in Pennsylvania. It is the closest one to my house. I live in Pittsburgh, so it's like really like the only one. There's also one in Monroeville, and I think there's one kind of towards the airport. I've been to the Monroeville one, but not my favorite. So we're gonna head in. Just real quick, what I kind of look for whenever I am rummaging through the bins are trends. Basically, I follow tons and tons of like Pinterest boards, different TikTokers, YouTubers, Instagram people that also thrift and resell. A big one that I love is Threads Obsessed. I will link her account down below, but she's very much like Y2K 90s kind of vibes. So basically I look for things that either I would love to wear, but or like it's not my size, or it would just look ridiculous on me. So I always look for stuff like that. Number 2, there is always tons of vintage stuff here, like the cool vintage tags, like things like you can't find online. So I love grabbing that stuff. That's like my favorite thing, like loud patterns or whatever that is. And then third thing I shop for are shoes. I love finding like there's always like Nike or Adidas or New Balance shoes here, so I always try to grab those, kind of like whatever size. Some people come here solely for that, and a lot of people that are coming here are resellers. So let's head in. I won't be talking while I'm in here because it's gonna be so busy and it's so loud, but I will get some clips and let's head in. So I wanted to do a little voiceover for this section. So we are heading into the Goodwill outlets. I am excited. Spirits are high. As you can see, it is a pretty big building. There are tons of different rows, so I always bring a little American Eagle reusable bag. But the bins I start off first are always the clothing bins. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So there are 8 rows of bins, and each row has 10 bins. So it is a pretty big place, but I always look through the clothes, pick out any item I think that I would like, and then at the end I look through and see if I still want to purchase them. They also have bins of housewares and other miscellaneous things. This section is not my favorite, but I always look just in case and see what I can find. You never know. And as you can see, I had a great trip and it was very successful. We are back home now and I got tons and tons of goodies, and I am just going to show you guys kind of what I got. Today was a really good day, not really for me personally, but for reselling. A lot of items I got I am going to resell. I think there's maybe like 2 or 3 things for me. That's kind of how it goes when you're looking for all different sizes and styles. you'll get a lot more stuff, obviously, than like just like what I would personally like. So let's jump into it, and then we can kind of talk about pricing and things like that. I'm going to Nashville for a bachelorette, and it's not until August. I've been looking, I'm on the hunt for some cowboy boots. I have been for a while, and I actually found some. I don't really know if they're cute or not, but they fit me, and they're kind of like this ugly cream color or tan. So I thought I'd grab them. Hopefully I like them, but if I don't wear them, if I wear them a couple times, I think it'll be fine. I got these cute green kind of comfy pants. They're very similar to the ones that are at, I believe it's Aerie, kind of like there's that stretchy feel, and then it's kind of like lined. I don't know, those, like, I feel like they always, in my head, I feel like they maybe look cuter than they actually are. I found this Boohoo dress. I don't usually like to get like brands like that. They're like Nasty Gal, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, Romwe. Like, I don't really like to get those because I like said, like the vintage kind of things, but this had a tag on it. So fun fact, if you are reselling and your item has tags attached, you can sell it for a little bit more just because tags are attached and never been worn. That's like what we're assuming, of course. So it is, it's size 12 from Boohoo. It's this beautiful brown midi dress. It's kind of long. It is so pretty. I've seen this like on Instagram and stuff. So I really was excited to find that. And that is very, very trendy. Got myself a pair of jeans. I am on the hunt for my favorite pair of jeans. So these are Rustler brand, which never really tried them before, but it looks like a normal, just like light wash, straight leg pair of jeans. I also found this Forever 21 crop top that it's for me. Kind of hard to show this one. It's like crisscross in the front. And it has like this little circle. Oh my God, you can't even see it. A little circle, crisscross. It's like a little crop top. You get the point. Even with those jeans, that'd be cute. Okay, we're getting into items that I'm going to be reselling now. So this first thing is like this little blouse top. It is from Blair, and it is size 2XL, but whenever it's like brands like this, like older brands, this probably is like an extra large. It's definitely not 2XL. So make sure you note that whenever you are reselling, because sometimes I've even started putting in like specific measurements, especially with pants, because it's really pretty like floral blouse. It's sheer, and like sheer tops are kind of in with like a cute like bralette, so I wanted to grab that. I also grabbed a pair of trousers I love, especially for spring, and I'm trying to get like lots of different sizes, so it's for like for everyone. There are so many smalls and mediums out there, so I'm trying to be very like inclusive with everything. So this is the 22, size 22. It's a Karen Scott, and it's just like these beautiful, oh no, there's a stain. I didn't realize that. Dang it. I'll try to get it out. Just these beautiful trousers. So they're coming off a little bit lighter on camera, but it's like a dark green. Oh, I'm so mad about that stain. That's something with the outlets you have to watch out for, like stains. Like I had like 7 pairs of Levi's in my, like Levi jeans in my cart. I put them all back because like they either had a hole, one of the belt loops was ripped off. So you have to really look, because very deceiving. I got these trousers, like a houndstooth trouser, brown, and then they are kind of, I guess they're hemmed or cuffed at the waist. I'll try them on for me, but I don't know if that's my style. I guess I got more stuff for myself than I thought. I got these yellow pants, might be too big on me. It's by Big Bud Press Trousers. I think they're definitely gonna be a little bit big, but they're just like these yellow paper bag kind of waisted pants. Thought they'd be cute for work. But of course, like when I try these stuff on, if they don't fit, obviously I will be reselling them. I got this really cute vest. It says it's a size large. I would say it's maybe a medium large. It's just this cute little vest. How pretty. It's like a corduroy material with this beautiful pattern on it. So I'm really excited about that. It's so summer. Slip dresses sell really well on my Depop for some reason. So I grabbed this one. It doesn't have a tag or anything, which I hate. But it's this beautiful pink slip dress, and it has white flowers on it. Then it has little pink bows, which I I think are so cute. So yeah, I'm really excited about that because very much embodies like spring. Next item I got, I don't know why I'm obsessed with these t-shirts so much, like I literally don't understand. But it's like these kind of ugly t-shirts with like the animals. I haven't really seen one that has the collar on it, but it has like 3 wolves, so we'll see if these sell. I don't know. This, I thought this was like probably the trendiest thing I got. This was from Rue 21, but it's like the old Rue 21. It's a size 7. And it's this sleeveless collared striped dress. I think this is so pretty. I can see so many people wearing this. If this was my size, I would wear it. I think it is so cute. Manifestation's so real. I one time was like, I want to find a vintage camera. Found it. I said, I've been asking for the cowboy boots. I've been needing to find cowboy boots. Found them today. I've been wanting a camcorder. Found it today. It's a Panasonic camcorder. Like, I just think this is gonna be so cool. I don't know. Whoever sold this took the battery out, so I wasn't able to turn it on. So this was $149. So I'm gonna try to kind of work it out. And then I was like, this is exactly what I wanted. And then I was still rummaging and I found this big boy. And obviously I don't really want this one because look how big it is, and like, it's a little bit ridiculous. Like, look how big the screen is. And I bet the same person donated these. It doesn't have a battery, also does not have a charger, so we'll see. So just a couple more things, like little tips when you are putting them on the website. I always put the price a little bit higher than what I think I can actually get for the dress. So we'll just do an example one. So for this dress, let's say, I would say, I mean, there's not really any damage, it's in good condition. So I would put this up for like $22, $23, maybe $25 to be a little high. And then people can make you offers. And unless the offer is literally ridiculous, which I've gotten before, I usually normally I accept, because sometimes like these are, you can get a little bit less for it for sure. I want to mention before I left off that my total was $24 for all of this. So that just shows that if you for like this one dress, if I sell this dress for $15, I'm almost making my money back. So that's why the outlets are such a good place to shop compared to like a traditional Goodwill. I have a whole video of how I like take pictures and how I write bios and details and everything when I'm actually reselling on Poshmark and Depop. So I will link that right up here for you guys and down below. Go check that out. Go watch that after this video, because that is going to help with the whole process. I never know what's gonna sell and what's not. Like, I know I'm like, oh, I really wasn't planning on picking it up. I'm like, oh, I'll just pick it up. And that like has so many likes on it. Like, so it's really interesting how that is. But everything, my Poshmark and my Depop are always listed down below. So if you want to go look at it or buy something, just let me know. Just message me on there. That is going to conclude this video. I hope I told all my tips and tricks from shopping at the outlets, but the best suggestion is just to look for everyone, like look up all sizes, all different kinds of trends. And I think the best motto is like, would you wear it, or do you wish that you could wear it? If it's like not your size or maybe not your style, like just grab it because someone else will love it. Yeah, so that is going to be it. If you guys want any other videos about reselling or anything like that, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.